In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic AI influencer video with Google Flow. We'll start by designing a consistent character image and then turn that image into a short, realistic video, all inside Google Flow. Follow along and you'll have a polished AI influencer clip by the end. First, open Google Flow in your browser to get to the workspace. On the dashboard, click New Project to create a clean canvas. This sets up a fresh flow where each block you add will guide the system from image to video. Next, choose image as your starting point. We're generating the character first because locking in a consistent face makes the final video feel realistic and professional. In the prompt area labeled, "What do you want to create?" select the option to create a consistent face using an image prompt. This tells Flow to keep features stable across outputs so your character won't drift between frames later. Type your prompt with enough detail to anchor the look. Describe the person's age range, hairstyle, expression, clothing style, and the overall vibe: casual, editorial, techie, or luxury. Mention lighting and camera style if it matters, like soft studio lighting, natural daylight, or cinematic portrait. Avoid referencing real individuals or protected likenesses, and be sure you have the right to use any style or branding you mention. Click, generate, and let Flow produce a set of candidates. When the previews appear, review them with an eye for consistency. Look at facial symmetry, eye placement, and skin tone. Pick the image that best matches your intent. Now click the plus icon to extend your pipeline. Select the generated image so it becomes the input for your video step. In the next "What do you want to create" field, choose the option to use a prompt to generate a video. This connects your character to an animation stage that respects the face you just approved. Type a clear video prompt that describes motion and intent. Explain what the influencer does and how they behave: gentle head turns, natural blinking, subtle hand gestures, or a confident nod. Add setting and framing cues like seated at a desk, medium close-up, soft background bokeh. Short, direct sentences often work best. Click on video to confirm the output type, then click generate. Rendering can take a moment. When it's ready, preview the result to ensure the face remains consistent and the motion feels natural. If it looks good, download the generated video and you're done. You've just created a realistic AI influencer video in Google Flow, starting from a solid character image and finishing with convincing camera-ready motion.